The aerodynamic advantage of Titan. A human could fly on Titan by flapping wings attached to their arms because the air is 4 times denser than Earth's. This extreme atmospheric density allows the Dragonfly rotorcraft to stay aloft with just 1/40th the power per unit mass required on our planet. Recent tests in the Johns Hopkins Titan pressure chamber have finally verified how these heavy-duty rotors behave at 94 Kelvin. This flight data confirms that the dense nitrogen fluid provides massive lift, but introduces a parasitic drag profile that Earth-based models could only approximate. The cryogenic cooling constraint, flying in 4 times Earth's density, sounds like an aerodynamic free lunch. But the thermal conductivity of 94 Kelvin nitrogen is a persistent engineering constraint. While the rotors produce massive lift, the dense fluid acts as a high-efficiency heat sink that drains energy from the lander faster than a standard battery can sustain. June data from the simulated Titan environment indicates that motor waste heat is actually a mission-critical resource. The engineering challenge has shifted from keeping the craft in the air to preventing the lubricant in the gearbox from freezing solid during a standard 500-meter hop. The real implication of dense air flight. The Dragonfly chamber results from June confirm that we have solved the lift equation for Titan, but remain at the mercy of its thermal sink. By validating the rotor performance in high-density cryogenic nitrogen, NASA has moved the primary mission risk from aerodynamics to thermal management. This means the vehicle's endurance is strictly governed by the efficiency of its vacuum flask insulation rather than raw battery capacity. For future mission planners, this indicates that density-rich environments allow for massive scientific payloads, but only if the internal power-to-thermal loss ratio can be stabilized. While the rotors are ready, the mission's survival now depends on how the internal electronics handle the conductive load of the Titan air. The critical milestone to watch is the July thermal vacuum test on the Flight Model Avionics Suite. Subscribe for more